count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. 'Cause I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3 till you'll be there. That from strength to push it into if you're still a town stuck in the middle of the sea, I still the world to find you. If we ever find darling, I'll love you till 17. Baby, you smile forever in my heart and memory. But after my time, people fall in love with every single day. Maybe just a part of a plan. Oh, we are only in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Take me under the light of a thousand stars. So darling, place your hand on my beating heart. My mama's got tumor. She has a big little fever. Knows everybody disapproval. And so whispers like you know that those plainly, that those tasty. There's a sanctuary. My church has gathers absolute. She doesn't worship in the bathroom. And only heaven to send to. And show which was like to learn. That those plainly, that those tasty. There's a sanctuary. Amen. Take me to church, I was a blanket off and the shines and lights. Still tell you my friends so we can shop it tonight. Offer me the death beside like a girl, let me give you my life. Take me to church, I was a blanket off and the shines and lights. Still tell you my friends so we can shop it tonight. Offer me the death beside like a girl, let me give you my life. My life has got you. She has a big little fever. Cause everybody's disapproval. The show which was like super. That looks plainly, that looks tasty. There's a time for her. Amen. Amen. Take me to church. I want you like it on from the stars and lights. Still tell you my friends so we can shop it tonight. Offer me the silver style like a girl, let me give you my life. Take me to church. I want you like it on from the stars and lights. Still tell you my friends so we can shop it tonight. Offer me the silver style like a girl, let me give you my life.
Ich weiß nicht, wie es euch geht, also ich bin etwas sprachlos aufgrund der wunderbaren Darbietung von Francesco. Also es erfordert wahnsinnig viel Mut, alleine hier auf diese Bühne zu gehen und vor euch allen hier zu spielen. Und also ich fände es wunderbar, wenn wir noch einen Song machen. Seid ihr auch der Meinung? Dein Fanclub.
I've been trying to do right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. I've been sleeping in my bed. So show my family how the Lord I believe. I don't know where I belong. I could write a song. I could write a song.
So, wunderbar, Francesco. Sensationell. Letztes Jahr war er krank gewesen, hat er uns aber schon letztes Jahr überzeugt. Und dieses Jahr bist du gesund und fit und umso besser. Danke, dass du gekommen bist. Wir haben übrigens, der Papa hatte eine wunderbare Pizzeria in Hürth, in Alt-Hürth. Da müssen wir alle mal gemeinsam einen kleinen Betriebsversuch machen, in der Hürth. Ne? Und fahren dann in die Pizzeria. Wie heißt sie nochmal? Ich habe vergessen, wie heißt sie nun? Pizzeria San Marco, Venezia. Gut, Francesco, vielen Dank. Bis vielleicht zum nächsten Mal. Nächstes Mal kommst du mit deiner Geige mal. Ich habe gehört, der Francesco, das Hauptinstrument von Francesco ist nicht die Gitarre, sondern die Geige. Ja. Vielleicht hören wir nächstes Jahr mal was von der Geige. Vielen Dank.